Everyone's telling me to get it. What is this? Hi guys. I just got home from work. Taka lang. Ma-change mo yan. Quick live lang. Quick live. Kasi my mom sa lubong. I got home tapos she pakita all of these. I have to say thank you to you guys. So, how do I do this? Quick live lang. Kasi I'm gonna sleep na. And wake up early tomorrow. Sorry. Thank you guys. What is from? Mama, walang tag? There's no tag. Oh, happy Valentine's Day. I love you so much, Reina. Admin Ruth. Oh, thank you, Ate Ruth. Kapatid ko live. Me muna guys, this is so quick lang. It's tulips. You know, it's my favorite. It's so nice to go home with the flowers after such a long day. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Ruth. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much. I'm so kilig. Thank you guys. You know, I haven't gotten like a bouquet talaga I mean, I have from my dad, from my parents, but like, from someone else you know. Wow, this is so cute. Hindi to true, pero it's so cute. This won't die. Whoa. Whoever made these, talented. Is this from? Oh no, there's no tag po, guys. What? There's no tag. How am I supposed to know? Thank you. But this is Parahaimo by Tessa. Is this the people that made it? Or is this from you, the one that bought it? Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you so much. You know, I was supposed to go to Beanie concert. Pero timing yung schedule today. It's okay. Soon. Soon it will be meant for me. Priorities. Thank you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. This one naman. Oops. That was what? 11:11. It's 11:11. Don't lie to me. Thank you for reminding me. Thank you. So this is a paper bag. Pero walang name, guys. This paper bag though. This paper bag. Walang name. Thank you guys. Ew. Oh. This is cute. Bad. Ooh. Thank you. So nag-give sa this is gen coded. Thank you guys. Thank you po sa'yo na nag-give nito. I love you. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. My favorite color is red. But also green. But also navy blue. Type of red is like red wine, you know. Thank you. What's that? Shout out Reindeers GDM4. Shout out Tacloban City. We got next. Mama, from this one. This one is from who? This one.
Kasama yan si Ate Anne from Ulan siguro. Ulan.
No, this one is from Ate Ruth.
Winner ko.
This one.
Everything daw from Ulan ang big winner.
Mom said it's from Ulan, big winner ko.
Ulan ang big winner.
Ulan ang big winner ko. Thank you. I love you. Happy birthday. Ay, happy birthday. Happy Valentine's Day. This one naman po. Oh, there's a...
Ito yung bago doon galing kay Auntie Jane from Homies.
Oh, okay.
Ay,
Spoiler, spoiler, spoiler.
I'm sorry.
Wow! Cute! Okay, ulit please. Cute! Hi Rain, congrats on your upcoming album and acting debut. So proud of you. You're amazing. Cheers to more projects. Aw, thank you, Bimb. Bimb. I think you're the one who gave me the surfing board, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you so much. I love you. Thanks for appreciating. You did not see a brand. You did not see anything. Wala kayo nakita. Right? Ooh, fire. Fire. It's like from hiking. Is it? Perfect. Oh. Thank you, Ben. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see, you do not see a brand. Look! Oh. I'm busog. There's food on it. And this one. This is also from Bim.
Sasok pa naman natin.
Whoa! This is a bag for hike. It's like a bag for hiking. Perfect. I was gonna get. Thank you. So thoughtful. What's this? Mag-unboxing pa siya. Huwag ko kayo invite. Sino pa pinapa-invite niyo? Tama siya. Unboxing to, babe. Whoa! What is this? No way. Teka lang. I'm not understanding. What? What are these? I gotta... You did not see a brand. Teka lang, teka lang. Thank you for having the courage to chase your dreams because now we have found our favorite star to gaze at as you shine even brighter every day. No matter what kind of stellar evolution you will go through in this lifetime, we will continue loving you. We are always proud of you, Rain. Bye, Pandora. Ay, walang from who? This is from you also, Bim. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thanks for believing in me. I love you all. What is this, though? Wait lang, ha? Hindi ko pa siya gets. Is this a ring? Is this a... It's a keychain. Right? It's a keychain ba to? Look. I think Ate Jess has the same, like, star. If I'm not mistaken. I love. Aww. Thank you. I love.
Young Reyna.
What's that? Okay, let me open this. Flying free. Ay, shout out Compostela. Oh, slay! Grabe yan. Nagsislay na naman siya. This naman. Shorts. But it's like made for trailing. Ooh. Made for like trailing or hiking. Oh. I've never had the right equipment for hiking. But I always liked hiking. Thank you. Love you, I love you. Aww. It's a trailing shirt. Because it says trail. I hope I can go to Mount Pulag or Pinatubo soon. Kasi these gifts are making me excited. Ooh, I got a headband. Headband. And I got wristbands. I got socks as well. I love socks. These are nice. Thank you, Bim. Thank you. And if this is not from Bim, let me know. But it's kasama kay Bim. I think it's Bim. Thank you! This one, man. Oh! These are the shirts. And I already have this, pero they made a red version. My Polaroid pa. I mean, my cell ka pa dyan. Talented people. Thank you. Mama, this is for who?
For us, from Ate Ann.
Thank you, Ate Ann. Thank you. And to the people that designed and helped produce this shirt, thank you. Thank you sa delivery person na nag-deliver to this balay, ay to this condo. Thank you. Thank you sa gumagawa ng motor para mag-deliver. This one. God. Got last 2 boxes. Let me pause. Oh, look. I'm not bagay sa... Sorry, I'm wearing a hood kasi ang glow ng hair ko. Let me see my hair. Yep. May hairspray pa din. So, cover muna natin, haha. Thank you. Walang tag doon. Ay, wait. Hi, Rain homies. Thank you. Thank you. Happy Valentine's indeed. Wala ko nakita. Stop. 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 Aww. Oh, dude. Ito yung new bill. These are the new bill. Nako. The fact that I've never touched the new bill. Ha, Joram, I got a new bill. Thank you, Kyrene homies. Thank you sa gumawa din ng flower. Oh no, I got 98 MB left. Hello. Will you complete my heart? Saan mo ka nangyay? Thank you for the galaxy. Thank you sa nag-send. I love you. Thank you, Kyrene homies. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's. Crazy. Ngayong gabi eh. We got this. What is ito? Hello, I think it's chocolate. Ooh. Like, oh. Slay. To our cheerful langga from Cebu, Rain Summer. From Karen Homies, official worldwide. Perfect. Ay, perfect. Thank you. I just got home talaga, so let me eat one. I need energy. What's the flavor? Ito na lang kasi gold. Gold tayo eh. Mmm! Gising na ako. Gising na ako. Hahabol na ako sa party. I just finished. I wanted to habol to a lakad. Pero di na kinain ng energy ko. Rain some more! Naubusan ng energy. Ito lang pala. Ay. Ito lang pala. Chocolate.
Bumabalik na energy.
Nga, alis na ako, ma. Gising na ako. Umuwi na ako. So, if you're watching, guys, I still can't go. Ang layo nyo.
Oh no.
That hit the spot. That was like late. Kasi hindi ko mataste. Na-taste ko na, bro.
Hindi pa para sa nito.
Why did I go home? I just needed chocolate pala. Alam mo,